I'd like to explain the difference between the horn spacing that can be used for tone-only configurations, such as evacuation tones and code call, versus voice paging. For tone-only applications, you don't need to exceed the ambient noise level by 6 dB/SPL as you do with voice paging. Typically for tone-only configurations, 3 dB over the ambient is more than adequate. Because of this, the spacing associated with tone-only paging can be up to 1.4 times that of voice paging spacing. Let me do an application here. Put in a room that's 100 feet long and 100 feet wide. We use an 18-foot mounting height and a noise level of 60 dB/SPL. The program has defaulted to 110-foot spacing, which is standard spacing for a 60 dB/SPL area. This is for 6 dB/SPL over the ambient as a minimum, and is for voice paging. What I want you to notice as I switch to a tone-only configuration, I want you to notice that this is set up for a horn output of 94.85 dB/SPL. I'm going to press F now, which is the command to go to a tone-only configuration, and I want you to watch this output level. Notice that the output level of the horn did not change very much at all, and yet the spacing is 1.4 times what it was. The reason that happened is because you only need 3 dB/SPL over the ambient for tone-only configurations. Now I'm going to press B. We're set up for tone-only now, as is indicated down here. I'm going to press B to change the input data, and I'm just going to scroll through. And I want you to notice that because we're set up for a tone-only application, the assumed value of spacing is indeed standard spacing times 1.4. Press Enter.